Hopdeals.com, an authority equipment remarketing specialist. We are pleased to offer a choice of two 2016 Mercedes Antos 2530 BlueTech 6 trucks. These 6x2s have rear lift and steer axle, have a Euro 6 engine and automatic gearbox. They benefit from a PPS cheese wedge Beavertail body with a hydraulic slide out with steps and walkway, hydraulic cheese wedge ramp and access boom door. They also have hydraulic rear jacks, remote control winch, 360-degree camera and tow bar. If you'd like further details on these trucks that start from 268,000 kilometres, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out all the latest stock on our website hopdeals.com.